Today, our 5-star technician is going to show how to properly do a tire change the right way. At 5-star Roadside, providing a fast, efficient, and reliable service is our utmost priority. So, if getting professional assistance in your area is difficult when you have a flat tire, these steps we're about to show you will definitely get you back on the road in no time. First things first, gather your tools. You'll need a spare tire, a jack, and a lug wrench. Most cars have these in the trunk or under the rear compartment. Next step, loosen the lug nuts. Before lifting the car, slightly loosen the lug nuts with your wrench. Trust me, it's easier now than when the tire is off the ground. Step 3. Jack up the car. Now, place the jack under the vehicle's frame near the flat tire. Check your owner's manual for the right jack point. Then, crank it up until the tire is about 6 inches off the ground. Step 4. Swap the tire. Carefully remove the lug nuts and take off the flat tire. Now, align the spare tire with the wheel bolts and hand tighten the lug nuts. Step 5. Lower and secure the lug nuts. Slowly lower the car back to the ground and use your wrench to fully tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern. This keeps the wheels secure and evenly tightened. And that's it, you're back on the road. But if you ever need a quick professional tire change, 5-star Roadside is here to help. Call us anytime for fast, reliable service. Save our number now and drive with confidence.